iPhone 4 loudspeaker repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a fairly easy repair, and it will take about 15 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 5-point pentalobe screwdriver. If your iPhone 4 has pentalobe bottom screws, 00 Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, spudger, metal pry tool, tweezers, SIM eject tool, precision knife. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Push the rear panel toward the top of the iPhone and remove the rear panel. Remove the Phillips screw, securing the battery to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery and make sure not to lose a small contact. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following two screws and remove the dock connector flex cover. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws, securing the Wi-Fi antenna to the motherboard and remove the antenna. Use spudger to disconnect front camera, power button, audio jack, LCD and digitizer cables. At last, unplug and remove the camera. Disconnect the dock connector flex cable. Disconnect the signal antenna. Remove the water indicator and the following 2 Phillips and 1 flathead screws, securing motherboard in place. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Remove the following Phillips screw holding loudspeaker housing in place and remove the loudspeaker housing. On the loudspeaker housing, remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the signal antenna in place. Carefully peel off the signal antenna. reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. If you are reusing the antenna, transfer it to the new speaker housing.